What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video. Out at some spot I've never even been to. Oh, let's go look around. Victoria Gardens. Is this an outdoor mall? Is this a shopping area? I don't know. I've never been to an outdoor mall where you could just drive through the entire place. So I think it's a shopping area. I don't know. They do have a food hall instead of a food court. They have a food hall. All right, let's go look around. All right, they do have a pharmacy board shop. Been getting a lot of Nike SB stuff at a lot of the skate shops. Let's go look around. I'll stop by pharmacy board shop out in the Antelope Valley. Never stopped by this location. Don't see any dunks. Do have plenty of Nikes. Don't see any dunks. Do got some blazers I've never seen before. And these are SB blazers. Material seems to be a lot nicer, but Rose Anvil has me questioning all of Nike's materials and stuff. But yeah, these are fire, dude. $90. Material seems to be okay, but like I said, Rose Anvil got me all confused. He compared some of the blazers with the blazer premiums, and he kind of showed there's really nothing premium about it, but material seems really nice on these. These are all going for $90, no sales. We've also been seeing these, the BRSBs, been seeing a bunch of these at the outlets. Kind of remind me of the, kind of like a mixture of different SBs. The Cortez, definitely see some Cortez in those. Are these glow in the dark? I wonder if these are glow in the dark. These are pretty dope, dude, if they are glow in the dark. But yeah, these are some bands right here. Don't see a price tag. SB slides, I did talk about that at one of the skate shops. I was like, what? They got slides? I've never seen SB slides before. They got straight running shoes, some Sauconys. I did have a pair of these years ago. Yeah, okay. They just look like running shoes though. And of course, 574s. Big fan of these 574s. These are definitely not skate shoes, dude. They're definitely not, but they still do have them here. You know, I'm still a fan, so it's all good. Then do got the Chucks. Nothing on sale though. Nothing on sale. $60. Got Superstars here as well. Is it not on sale because we're at a bougie area or what? I don't know. Tayshons. I am a huge fan of these. I got a couple different colorways. Go for $85. Material on these on point as well. Do got some SB t-shirts right there, but not much else. No dunks or anything. All right, let's go on to the next one. Do have a Champs here. They also have a Nike store. They call them Nike Collective now. It's kind of weird. Nike Wall Collectives. All right, let's see what's up here. Of course, we are starting on the sales rack. They got a nice little sales rack here. Not the 70% off that I wish, but 50% off, not bad, especially when it's like super dope merch like this. Look at this. So the Pro Standard shirts normally go for way too much, $60 down to $30. I would say this is definitely worth $30, especially for you Doyer fans. Got those in a few sizes, XL, small, medium. Also got the Piazza jerseys right here. And these aren't too bad. These are number $130, yeah, so $65. Does have the Jackie Robinson patch on the side too. That is fire. These are dope. I'm not even into baseball like that, but I can appreciate this type of stuff. Medium, and large. Got Doyer hoodies right here. New Era Dodgers hoodies. And these are $85, so $43. It's got a large and XL. Got the Pro Standard shorts right here, which are fire. Does have some dope what are the emblems and stuff like that on it. Normally $100 down to $50. It makes it more palatable, you know what I'm saying? $100 kind of steep. Looking along the backside right here, I think that Pro Standard's like the only really dope stuff here. Do got these shorts. What are these? The Bel Air Academy shorts for what is it called? From the Fresh Prince of Bel Air. Mitchell and S merchandise right here. I think these are $100. Yeah, $100, so $50 after the savings. Yeah, that Pro Standard stuff is pretty dope. Not much else though. I am looking for 70% off rack, but I don't see any. They've cooled off on some of that because I haven't seen them at a few of the champs I've been to lately. I'm definitely gonna have to hit up the Champs outlet. today. I'm gonna try to hit them up today on the way home. Dude got the Mellow Ball 3s. This is pretty dope with the, looks like an animal or somebody scratched. That is pretty fire, dude. I don't know about this colorway, man. I feel like this colorway's just been like done like crazy lately by every company after the Grinches. But yeah, $125. These don't look bad. I do think these look better than the 2s and the 3s. Definitely do think these look better than the 1s and the 2s, which is weird because they don't even have the 2s. They just have all the 1s. What the hell? Every other spot just has the 2s. Kind of interesting. Starting to see these on sale, which is freaking fire, dude. I haven't even thrown mine on. I did pay retail for mine. Gosh dang it. I hate it when I buy stuff and then it goes on sale. Dang it. I just wasn't sure how readily available they would be. But yeah, they got all 3 colorways right here, man. Oh, they don't have the Stormtrooper colorway. Okay, I did get those. Maybe if those 2 go on sale, maybe I'll grab those later. All kinds of Ultra Boosts going for $100. Man, how come I haven't been able to find them at Ross though, man? They've been cheap like everywhere, but I don't know. Has everybody just been buying it before me? I don't know. But yeah, most of them for $100. Oh wait, I didn't even show the Web Boost ones right here, all $100. And then Jordan releases, got a few. Not too bad, you know. You got the 11 low IEs right here. It's the gray ones for $140, and then the latest 11 low IE right there. Air more up tempos. I'm still patiently waiting for these bad boys to go on sale. That's a bigger size. Oh, it's a 10.5. That's my size. Okay, I'm waiting patiently for those to go on sale. I want to grab some more of those. And look at the Vapor Maxes on sale. The 550s on sale. Remember how hard these were to get during the pandemic? Freaking hilarious how all that works. Now everything is on sale. This colorway's down to $70. Okay, but pretty much every colorway on sale. Got the gray one right here, got blue ones, all black one right there. I don't think that's a 550 though. Now what the hell, how do they still have these? First of all, the number one, why are they still $110? See, like Nike and all these shoe companies, they want to make it look like, hey, they want to get rid of everything, they don't want to be associated, and then they're like, wait, people are still paying money, and then they put it on almost full price. Yeah, and speaking of full price, yep, $120, yep. Oh, and then did I gloss over the 8? This is the first time I've seen the 8s. Then I just glossed right over it. I am hoping to find one of these at the outlets. I don't have any 8s. I do not have any 8s and 10s. Those are the last 2 that I need. 8 and a 10. So this I would like one of these because it is a playoff. I'm trying to get the OG colorways if I do get the 8s and the 10s. I feel stupid for not buying the Stealth back in 2010. Dang nabbit. Did I say 2010? I meant 2018 when they came out. 2018, 2017? But yeah, dang it. I'm gonna have to grab one of these though eventually. Hopefully they go on sale or at the outlets. Hopefully someone returns a size, I don't know, size 10, size 10.5 at the outlets. We'll see. Nothing too much going on in the kids section, but look at this, $50 for these. Are you serious? The women and the kids not appreciating these. These are freaking fire, dude. I wish I bought my $50, dang it. Men's one going for regular price. What's this down to? $120 for that one. All right, that's pretty much about it. All right, let's go check out Nike Collective, and then might have to hit up another shop or 2 for this video. I'm trying to make them at least 15 minutes long for you guys. Let's go. I do have a finish line. The Nike's here somewhere. I don't know, man. I've never been here, so I'm just walking around aimlessly. Dang it. Damn, I don't see any sales tag here. What the hell? And freaking the map took me to the wrong area. Nike's not even around here. All right, this is gonna be quick because I really don't see too much here. But look, do got these. Got some corduroy on it, kind of like a Miami Hurricanes colorway mixed with some gray right there. Not too bad. Not too bad. I like this. I like this up front right here. The prime knit, super comfy. I just don't like. I don't like the white boost. Yellows eventually. Not a fan of that. They do got the 6s that just released. I'm just not a fan of these. I don't like the grape. I don't like that purple and the aqua. I'm just not a big fan of that. I like the materials. Got suede right here, and then is it a nubuck in the overlay portion right here? Like pretty fire. I'm a huge fan of that material, just color blocking, colorway. I'm just not a fan of this colorway right here. Then the Witness 7s. Is this the last Witness? I thought they were getting... Oh, they got rid of this. Oh, okay. I was thinking this is the last Witness. No, they got rid of the Soldiers, not this one. All right. But yeah, this looks so much better than the prior Witnesses. Good for you, Nike. Good for you. I don't know about that material right there, though, but these look nice. These look nice. $110 for the new Witnesses. Okay. Got multiple colorways right here, too. Okay. Witness 7s. Not bad. Then they got the older Witnesses right here. Dang, $60. Holy cow, that wasn't no 135. These weren't. Oh, they put the wrong thing on there. Look, these were not 135, fools. Whoever put that sign on there didn't even know the name of the shoes and stuff. Dang it. Then they got the 312s right here. These ain't bad, dude. They're not good for wide footers. And they're just not good for me. They got multiple colorways. Okay, $145. $145 for those. Then do got some lows. Then do have a last chance section right here. Not seeing the craziest prices. We've seen these on sale for what, $30, but everything else, like look, these Dunks are on sale, but only $15. Like pricing not that great. And I think that's because this is one of the bougier locations. Like these are on sale, but like only $20, really? All right, let's keep it moving. Let's go to the next one. So pretty interesting concept. Kind of like Melrose Avenue, but like 5 blocks of this, and it's in like a square shape. So pretty interesting. A lot of walking though, man. A lot of walking. All right, finally found the Nike Well Collective, or their retail shop. I don't know why the hell they came out with a new name for them, but there's a Nike store. Let's go. Yeah, see, even on Google it shows Nike Well Collective. I'm really not expecting much here because the Nike retail shops have been hella mediocre. Alright, but we'll look around. Yep, pretty much what I expected. Got mids, got lows, and then more mids. That's about it, but got mids on sale. Didn't expect that. I'm not gonna lie, did not expect 20% off Jordan mids and 20% off Dunks too. 20% off Dunks, man. Not bad. Not bad. Kind of similar to the outlets, I guess. But to be honest, there's a better chance of finding some heat at the outlets than here. And then the prices are going to be just kind of $100 for these flight hoodies. Super thicks. Actually, you know what? It's medium thickness. Not bad. Not bad. I do like the flight stuff. They got Jordan stuff right here too, but just not much here. But yeah, the women's section right here. Men's section right here. Just kind of whatever. All right, we're gonna hit up another shop because I want each of these videos to be 15 or 20 minutes long. They do have a food court here though. They call it the food hall, and they have a lot of little restaurants here. Let's take a look. They got a Sbarro's. You can't really go wrong with Sbarro's. Oh, they got a Korean hot dog spot. This is pretty dope. Korean hot dog, they add like all kinds of crazy stuff on their hot dogs. Koreans definitely do the corn dogs right. Did I call it hot dogs or did I call it corn dogs? But yeah, man, they have potatoes on them. They got spicy corn dogs. Oreo, that one's interesting. Fried chicken on the outside. What the hell? They got all kinds of random stuff on it. They do have an Alberto's. Is this the one that like is all around San Diego? If it is, that place is grubbing as hell. Got Charlie's Philly Steaks. I freaking love this spot right here. Damn, dude. $8 for, you get a small cheesesteak, chicken cheesesteak and original fries. It's not bad. Can't go wrong with some Dirty Panda. Tikka? What the hell is this? Is this Euros and stuff? Looks like it's Greek food. Elephant Thai, I guess that's a dessert spot. And then they got the knockoff of Genghis. Is it Genghis? Shoot, I forgot what it was called. What the hell is that? Genghis Khan? Is that what it's called? But yeah, man, you pick your own stuff right there. So this spot, you pick your own ingredients. Then they throw it on that big old wok right there and saute everything for you. Pretty dope. This is a nice food court. They also have a bunch of bougie restaurants outside because this is one of the bougier malls. I give this a 9, dude. This is very solid. Damn, that Boondog. I kind of want to try that Boondog. I'd say Charlie's Steakhouse, and then this spot. I would probably try this spot, but I gotta go, man. I got more spots to hit up. Let's go.